Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today, it's a beautiful day. Don't mind this at all. So what we have today is, it's a few things actually. I have to go pick up some material for the next couple of days, and then I'll have to go to, I got a call. There's a furnace that is tied into, it's a duplex unit, but the furnace is tied into the lower unit, and the owner wants it to be tied into the upper unit. So it just sounds like it's a breaker swap. So take the breaker out of the one panel, put it into the other panel. He said they're right next to each other, so that shouldn't be a big deal. And there's also a door sweep on the back door that I gotta, some weather stripping I gotta add. And then from there I need to go, I'll probably pick up the materials after that, and then I'll come back and I have to go to that unit we just walked through, that vacant, my next turn, and just exchange that deadbolt out. All right, so we'll see you guys at the first job. Get it. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Just checking. I'm using my mic again today, so just want to make sure that everything's working properly. Anyways, that was pretty much a shit show. It was just like that, but the tenant was home, and I didn't think they would be. But yeah, I was able to get the door, the weather stripping on. I was able to record that, but then they were like standing right next to me most of the time when I was switching the electrical over, so I didn't bother recording that. Nothing like a helicopter for you. They're asking lots of questions too, so I just didn't. All right, I'm on my way to change that deadbolt out now, so not much of a video, but we'll see how it goes, how it ends up in editing. And yeah, I'll catch up with you at the next place. Get it. Back at this, back of that unit, that walkthrough I did. So I'm just gonna be changing this deadbolt out. And now that I have my tools with me. Yeah, that last job, it was just easy. It was quick. I just had to take the two breakers and the wires out of the one and just switch them over. No big deal. When they're sitting there asking me all these questions, I can't. I don't know. Just happens sometimes. I just don't know. Too much in my hands. Too much going on right here. One step at a time. I'll be starting this unit on Thursday, I think. That gives me time to get everything else I need done. All right, just gotta tighten these up, check it out, test it. Make sure that's the right key for it. I had these, this one was just in my shop. That works. Good to go. Let's tighten these up a little bit more. There you go. All right, well, it wasn't that eventful of a video, but again, it shows you a day in the life of maintenance guy, I guess. Sometimes I do different things than some people, but I don't know how they broke that. How did they break that? All right, so I'm gonna start this guy Thursday, hopefully. Probably will. And I got a job to do tomorrow. I don't think I can record it, but I'll try, see what I can do. So yeah, thanks for coming along, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Get it!